Number 5 is Creality Ender-5 S1 3D printer. If you are searching for the ultimate 3D printing experience without breaking the bank, then the Creality Ender-5 S1 is an optimistic choice. Packed with cutting-edge features and boasting an unbelievably affordable price tag of under $700, this printer is a game-changer in 3D printing. Prepare to be amazed by its highly stable cube frame, resembling a futuristic work of art. Reinforced with thick linear shafts, gussets, cantilevers, and silicone bed mounts, this printer guarantees precision and durability. It's a solid foundation for your creative endeavors. Speed demons will rejoice with the Ender-5 S1's lightning-fast printing capabilities. With a customized high-torque motor and steel transmission shaft, it achieves mind-boggling speeds of up to 250 mm per second. Gone are the days of waiting for your designs to come to life. This printer races to bring your imagination into reality. The Sprite direct extruder is a marvel in itself. Its bimetal heatbreak and efficient heat dissipation ensure hours upon hours of hassle-free extrusion. The possibilities are endless and compatible with various filaments, including PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PETG, and PA. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $700. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.